Let's cash this money out together. If you are not registered in this application, you are missing a lot because there's lots of traffic.
So I've earned and I've reached the minimum withdrawal, and so I'm making this video for you to watch me see how you can withdraw yours. And guess what? This app is pays a lot, so you can't afford to miss it. The link will be in the comment section. So let's get started. So if you want to check your earnings, this is the home page. Then you click on this dot to your left hand side. Then you click on your credit.
It will bring you to this interface, and then you check your country that you are in. Then you click on the country. If your country is not listed here, you can choose this option that they wrote others. After that, then you click submit. It will show in your local currency. Then if you want it to USDT, click on others. So this is where your credit is. The next thing we are going to do is to click on withdraw, and the minimum withdrawal is 2,000 credit. Now once you click on withdraw, my USDT wallet address is already there, so I do not need to paste anyone again. It's already done. So the next thing we are going to do is to confirm your withdrawal, and have it in mind that the app charges you $1 for the withdrawal. So out of the amount here, $1 will be deducted. Then you click on confirm. Now you have to wait for like some minutes or some hours. They'll actually tell you 2 working days, but it's not up to 2 working days. So now let's wait for the money to drop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to support by subscribing, share it out so that other people can see it and also benefit from it, and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Now the money has successfully dropped. The system has sent me a message that my cash out has been paid. So what you are going to do next is go to your wallet address and confirm it. I used Bybit. In case you don't have a wallet app, the link is in the comment section, pinned in the comment section. Use the link to register. It's a self-withdrawal app, so you don't need anybody to withdraw it for you. Now this is the system message from my Bybit wallet. The payment has been made and confirmed. So if you are interested in this application, use the link in the comment section. Thank you.